What is up, guys? Thank you for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to look at how to play Staring at the Sky by X on the acoustic guitar. Now before you do anything, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and if this video helps you out, give it a like as we go along. If you've got any comments, any questions, please use the comment box below and I will answer any questions that you may have. Okay, so for this you need to know that it's all in standard tuning. So we have got E, A, D, G, B and E, so no special tuning, and we don't need a capo, so there's no capo for this song. We don't actually even need a plectrum, we're just going to be using our thumb and first finger. So let's have a look at the fingering position with your left hand. So first of all, the first note that you're going to need to know is actually a G, and we're going to play that with our third finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string. And what we're going to do is we're going to pluck the 5th string, string number 5, with our thumb first of all, and then we're going to pluck the 4th string, the G, with our first finger, straight after. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take that 3rd finger off, and we're going to put our first finger on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. That's the movement in that. So, string number 5, pluck string number 4, then we're going to pluck string number 5 again, string number 4 on the 3rd fret, and then we're going to move that down, that same position down 1 fret to the 2nd fret on the 4th string. And during those movements, as we're moving to the next fret, we're going to pluck that 5th string, so we've got. And then we're going to introduce the E string, string number 6. And we're going to put our 2nd finger, fret number 3, string number 5. So we're plucking the 6th string before we go to that 3rd fret. Slow that right down. And the next bit, open D, back on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and we're going to finish with our 2nd finger on that 5th string of the 3rd fret. The second time round, he doesn't go to that C with your 2nd finger on the 5th string of the 3rd fret. So it goes like this. So the whole loop is this. So we're not going to that C, we're not going to that last position. Let's play it really slow. So make sure that you're plucking those strings with your thumb and first finger. You may feel more comfortable using your second finger or your third finger. That's absolutely fine. It just works for me with my thumb and my first finger. And those strings a bit of an accent, bend the string very slightly with your first finger at the end of the phrase. What I try and do is play along with the track as well. So use the track as a reference. That's always a good place to start. Try and play along with what the guitarist is doing on the track as well. That is it for the whole track. That's it. Obviously the guitars kick in, the distorted guitars kick in after, but for the main bulk of the song, that is it. And it's played on acoustic guitar to start with. Start off playing it slow, and then as you get more confident, bring it up and bring up the tempo, bring up the speed to the actual BPM of the track. So have a go at that. If you have any comments, any questions, please drop them below and I'll be very happy to answer them. I hope this tutorial helps you out and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.